Good morning. We're at a restaurant called Good Anya, owned by Australians, and we got some really interesting, great things for breakfast today. Hannah got a Guinness. She was feeling like a dark, heavy beer for breakfast. There's actually coffee on tap.
She had a great order though. Look
Yeah,
at
she
that
did.
Freaking yogurt part.
She did.
That's
Thanks, Kevin.
And
MVP order. Right there.
Zoe got a burrito with a coconut wrap. It's made from coconut. How cool is that?
It's pretty good.
And then we got a coffee. It's called a butter coffee. There's butter, cinnamon, and honey in it. It's so delicious.
Oh yeah, that was an MVP coffee order.
Yeah, it was. So, I'm excited about this.
Something else.
What the hell are those?
Well, they're saying it would be a 3-year mission. I don't know that they're sending anybody one way for now.
I thought they had to like basically die there.
Fake
Like
grass is Hannah's catnip.
Huh?
It's your catnip. She just sees it and starts rubbing your face in it. Oh god. Oh, I thought you were taking a selfie. We're about to go on a hike, Torrey Pines hike, right by the beautiful ocean, which you can't see. Right over here. And Hannah has assured me this is a Hannah kind of hike. So it's paved, it's comfortable, relaxed, you can enjoy the scenery.
It's what?
A Hannah hike.
Oh yeah,
Certified Hannah hike. I need to make a stamp for that.
that's a great idea actually. I should have a full guidebook.
You should.
It's just like,
Hannah's Guide to Hikes.
yeah, they're mostly walks. Torrey Pines.
Yeah. Hannah's Guide to Hike Walks. I'm learning some fun facts. This is the only place where Torrey Pines grow. Here, I would have played Name That Tree with Kevin, but I already told you guys what it was. Torrey Pine right there.
Are you talking about the elephant seal
No, I missed it.
beach?
Maybe.
There's an elephant seal beach like south of.
It's like a trail just like this, and so there's like a couple little like.
And they're down
vantage
below
points.
you?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's.
But
elephant.
you can go down onto like one of them. It's a really like white sand beach and
I think that's elephant seal. Wow, big Camina.
Point Lobos State Natural Reserve. You guys should go there. I highly recommend it.
Really?
Yeah. Point
That's
Lobos.
isn't that?
It's
That's
okay.
north of Santa Cruz.
Hey, look at me.
There's a state park. The world with dinosaurs room. So I wanted to feel straight up like a Jurassic. Yeah, they filmed Jurassic Park in the first cage. Pretty cool, huh?
One, two, three. I'll take a few. It's like it's the New York Times.
I didn't see that as like
Playmate here. This is scary.
It is a little scary. Are you gonna make it? Nice!
I'm so good at hiking today.
I wish there was a finish line you could have broken through. Doesn't it look like we're in
down there.
a giant ant colony, guys?
Ant colony.
Yeah, ant farm. Oh, that's so pretty. We can do it? Come down. We're walking along the beach right now, and the tide is really high. So it keeps washing up and almost getting us soaked. I'm gambling right now. So beautiful right now though. The sun's starting to set. Hannah looks straight up like a little kid right now. Shoes untied, ice cream. The ice cream was Zoe's idea, and I think it's a great idea. Haagen-Dazs. It's the only way to go. We are going to bed in the truck again. Tomorrow we're going to go to the beach in San Diego, I think. We need to find a place to upload. I'm really behind. For some reason the internet at Hannah's house isn't working very well for this, so we're going to have to find a cafe or something and get caught up very soon. Thank you guys for being patient. I hope you have a wonderful morning, afternoon, night, wherever you are in the whole world. We will see you tomorrow in San Diego.